Have you ever wondered how the Army keeps track of every single piece of equipment, from vehicles to night vision devices, across an entire battalion? Today, I'm breaking down one of the key systems that makes it possible: ORILS. If you're in the Army, supply chain management, or just curious about how large organizations stay accountable, this one's for you. Here's how it works. ORILS pulls together data from inventories, supply transactions, and maintenance reports into one place. Commanders can use it to track everything from big ticket items like Strykers and radios down to small arms, tools, or spare parts. When you hear the term FLIPL, financial liability investigation of property loss, that's where ORILS plays a part. If something goes missing, ORILS provides the documentation to figure out accountability. It also ties into other systems. For example, it connects to MATSIT, which focuses on tracking Class 9 repair parts. It informs Class 9 inventories, which are all about ensuring we have the repair parts needed to keep vehicles and weapon systems operational. Think of ORILS as the quarterback. It doesn't just track the ball, it makes sure the whole team knows the play. Why does ORILS matter so much? 3 reasons. Number 1, readiness. Units can't deploy if they don't know whether their equipment is ready. ORILS helps leaders see in real time what's green, amber, or red. Number 2 is accountability. Every soldier signs for equipment. ORILS ensures there's a paper trail, which protects both the Army and the individual. Number 3 is resourcing. ORILS tells higher headquarters what a unit actually needs. If Apache Company is short on night vision devices or Chosen Company has vehicles waiting on parts, ORILS gives the data to prioritize resupply. So the next time you hear someone mention ORILS, know that it's not just another Army acronym. It's the system that ensures units stay equipped, leaders stay accountable, and missions can be executed without unnecessary surprises. In the Army, we sometimes say from red to ready, and ORILS is a big part of making that happen. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if there's another Army system or acronym you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.